clear in there. Go that way. Flood now. Nice shot. Thanks, dude. Done, man!
Alright, spread out a bit.
We're all gonna die by a machine gun.
That, who's that at the end in the woods there?
That's our guy. We need to throw some fucking and go in. Go forward.
There's so many. This is gonna be awesome or fucking awful. Ow. Push, 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 push.
Other than core down.
Okay, like that.
Go this way. Yeah, fucking go in there. All call signs, all call signs. This is 1 Alpha. Be advised, Andy's team of approximately 6 personnel has now traversed between buildings 1 and 2, over. Nice little crossfire. Oh shit. Hey, there's a whole bunch of blue flanking around. They're going in between 2 and 3, or correction, 2 and 1. Just watch those windows. One second. He's dead.
Dead man coming out! Dead man!
What's up, Cordell?
What's up?
Oh, just hanging out.
Yep.
Watching the Blues walk across here.
two down the hallway that I straight with.
Oh, Andy's dead. What's down that way?
Yeah, like break down.
Don't stand in the window of this doorway, man. Or this window, you'll get fucked up.
Down by the main hallway.
Okay.
Fucking straight some, just hold them off because we can't flag, so.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, the game's almost over, so. It's like 7 minutes when we're at spawn, so.
Okay.
I don't want satellites. Fuck off. Yeah, we got 1 minute.
Right.
Is he red? Yeah, he is red. That's whack. He's just John Wicking that shit. Yeah, that's hilarious.
Yeah, that's pretty funny.
15 seconds. All right. So who's watching down here if we're all in here?
One. That was always a little bit hot, but that's about it.
Right there. Go away.
Doorway. Kick that door open. Nope, nobody's there. Game over! Game over!